Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy. Today I'm going to be bringing you this teal, purple, and brown eye look. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So to get started, we're going to be taking my Milani eyeshadow primer and we're just going to prime our eyelids. Now going into the beautiful Zulu palette by Juvias Place. The first color we're taking is the shimmery teal color. And with my flat leaf brush, we're just going to pack the teal color on the inner corner of the eyelid. And we're just going to pack that on until I get the desired intensity that I am looking for. Now taking the beautiful vibrant purple color. That color we're placing in the middle of the eyelid. We're just gonna pack that on. Making sure to blend it in with the teal color. Now going into the brown color in the Zulu palette. That's going to go on the outer corner of the eyelid. And we're just going to take a makeup wipe and clean where the eyeshadow went a little bit above the crease. And then with my Morphe M433 brush, we're just going to blend the three colors together, make sure there's no harsh edges or anything like that. Now with my LA Girl crayon in light blue, we're just going to put this on the waterline. And then with my Jordana Jumbo crayon, we're just going to place that under the LA Colors liner. Now taking this small flat end brush and some rose setting spray, we're just going to spray the brush. And then go in with the brown color. And we're just going to drag this from the inner corner as the highlight and then down halfway onto the lower lash line. I really like the effect of the brown and the blue together. Now popping my They're Real mascara on my eyelashes. And this pretty much completes today's look. I hope you guys like this ensemble. And if you do, please give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, guys.